Tonight, we're catapulting some light with our awesome new flashlight from ThruNite. Earlier this year, we reviewed the Catapult Mini, and it was one of my favorite lights. And today, we get to check out the newest version, the V2. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, lanyard and O-rings, a USB-C charging cable, and of course, your Catapult Mini V2. This flashlight is so mini and compact that it's easily portable. It's only 3.37 inches long. But boys, what do we say? That's right, size doesn't matter. This flashlight is made from a durable aerospace grade aluminum alloy. It's IPX8 waterproof and even dust proof. This flashlight is stronger, prettier, and lasts longer than your ex's new boyfriend for sure. Don't believe me? Inside the flashlight, you can find an 1100 mAh rechargeable battery. This gives the flashlight a long-lasting runtime, so you'll always see what's going on. And then the flashlight itself is super bright for being this small. It can shine 1008 lumens and catapult light up to 515 meters. This flashlight even has multiple different modes. You can click and press to cycle through the different brightness settings. And then you can double press the button to enable turbo mode, long press to enable firefly mode, and triple press to enable strobe mode. It's so portable that I took it with me camping the other night. It's so easy to tuck away and forget about until you need it. It allowed me to easily see all of my campsite and keep an eye on my huskies. Then we hit the trails and went for a little night hike. The flashlight allowed us to see everything. We could see all the way down the trail and make sure there was no predators around our campsite before bed. I've been loving my new flashlight from ThruNite. It's so bright and portable that it's probably one of my favorite flashlights so far. Not to mention, I love the desert tan color and design. It just looks so cool. So if you're looking for a good flashlight to go camping, hiking, or just have some light around your property, the Catapult Mini V2 might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go relax at my campsite. See ya.